Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making Chinese baozi. This is stuffed bao bun. The bread is steamed and it is super delicious and easy, quick to make. The ingredients include flour, a pinch of salt, and yeast, and a little pinch of sugar. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to 2 tablespoons of water, and then half tablespoon of yeast and mix it up. This to taste to see if the yeast is active. Once it's bloomed, we're going to add it to the flour and salt mixture gradually until it forms a ball. I'm going to list the exact descriptions for those ingredients in the description box, so make sure you look it up. So give everything a good mix until it forms a ball, and then take it to the work surface and knead it until it is pretty smooth and stretchy. For this kneading, I did this for approximately 7 minutes. So it was super stretchy. So I recommend you do the same. Once you get that smooth, stretchy texture, raise the bowl and then put it in a bowl, cover and let it double in size while we prep the other ingredients. Okay, the fillings for the stuffing is pretty easy. I'm doing spring onion, purple onion, and spices, and minced beef. You can decide to add bell peppers if you want. It is completely optional. So I just diced up the spring onion and then the onion. In a saucepan, added a little amount of oil and then went in with the onion. Stirred it for a while and then I went in with the minced meat. This minced meat is the star of the show, so be as generous as possible. Stir this until it turns kind of translucent in a way that you can see that it is browning up. Okay, so go in with the spice. Here I have chicken bouillon, chili pepper, rosemary, curry, and then some nutmeg. I'm going to put the exact measurements for the spices in the description box as well. So I'm just going to give this a good stir and then let it cook for a while. If you don't want to use chili peppers, you can go in with scotch bonnets or any kind of fresh pepper that you like. Then I went in with a little bit of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. And after that, I left this to cook for a while and then went in with the spring onion. Once the spring onion gets into the pot, the sauce is ready. I don't want the spring onion to be so cooked. I want it to still retain that greeny freshness to it. So after giving it a good stir, I set it aside. Now we go back to the dough. Once you add the air and knead the dough to combine. Stretch it out into a thin line and cut it out the sizes you want your blouses to be. Shape it into balls and set aside. Then proceed to roll this out, not too thin, but in a way to form a disc so you could put the fillings in the center. Scoop a moderate filling in the center and then twist the edges of the dough just like this to seal it up. Do the same for the rest of the other doughs until you exhaust all your doughs. Please, if you watch this video to this extent, give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment section. Have you tried Bowser before? How did it turn out? And if you've not tried it before, would you be giving this recipe a try? Okay, set a pot on fire and add some water. Heat it up. And once you can see the steam coming out like this, put your bowsy inside on top of a steamer. Okay, this is a steamer I use. If you don't have this kind of steamer, you can use a sieve, like a metal sieve. Put it inside in a way like put something inside the pot and elevate the sieve so you can steam with the sieve. Then allow it to steam for 15 minutes, and this is what you have, guys. See how fluffy it is, and let's see what's inside. You guys, this is so it's absolutely yummy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.